Good morning to the audience and good morning to the esteemed panelists. Uh, and I thank you to Fahimji and to iLaunch to having MongoDB here as part of the PSU event. As NSN sir mentioned earlier on, the PSUs are the real powerhouse of India today. You are transforming and also leading the change to where Bharat is headed. As part of that, and also as pointed earlier by the panelists, a key component to this is the private and public partnership. That is important to see that vision that we have for the country. And as we go in that direction, just wanted to understand with a show of hands, how many people in the room know what MongoDB is or what we do? Any hands out there? All right, so I just see a few. Let me then take this opportunity to sort of share with you who we are and what we do, and how we can partner with all of you to lead that change. MongoDB is a new age database company, leading specially built for modern AI development workloads, right? So all of you know the mobile phone. That is all part of our lives. What you may not know is that 80% of the applications that sit on this phone are powered by new age databases. And MongoDB today is a big part of that. So if you take applications like, say, Zomato, which gives you food delivery at home, the entire backend engine that gives you support from their end, that lets you go ahead and ensure that the rider is reaching your destination with the food on time, is powered by geospatial data. If you take one of the largest public sector banks in the country, their mobile banking app today is powered by MongoDB. If I take the largest insurer in the country today, and I look at their mobile banking app, that's powered by MongoDB. So clearly, if any of the organizations are looking to build digital-first interfaces, digital-first applications, we are today one of the partners of choice. To give a little background about who we are, we today support obviously multiple different data types, different data sets. But along with that, we also support multiple use cases in the AI world. Talk about vector, talk about geospatial, talk about IoT. I know a lot of POCs today are talking to us on IoT use cases, where you want to track data that's coming out from the pumps, from the supply chain. We are today having those conversations with multiple PSUs out there. So as you can see, if companies are looking to build modern digital applications, we today are a partner of choice. A little about our India presence. We are today present across 3 cities with close to 1,000 employees. We today also have our global product development teams in India. So the product that you see used globally in the world out there is also built in India. We have our global support teams that sit out of our offices in Bangalore and in Delhi. So you also have local staff that work on the product in the back end. Along with that, we also are talking to multiple different ministries. So if I talk about some of the projects that we're running today, take the Ministry of IT and the e-office project. Many of you will be familiar with e-office. That is powered by MongoDB. If you look at the Ministry of Transport, parts of the VAHAN solution are built on us. If you look at the police, there are multiple CCTNS projects which is built on our back end. And the reason for that is because we're a truly open source database. You can go ahead and download MongoDB off the internet free of charge and use it completely to build anything you'd like. We're also available on the cloud and on premise. So you can run it on any of the large cloud players. You can also run it on premise in your own data centers. And that gives you the flexibility to obviously use it the way you'd like it to power your applications. Finally, to close out, I'll also probably talk a little about the enablement and learning that we provide. We've got MongoDB University, which is a completely free of charge online learning platform that lets you learn about the product, the tools, and how your organizations can build. We also have a program with colleges called MongoDB Academia. We're tied up with 3 states today, and we're actually formally implementing and educating colleges and college students to build and transform new applications. So with that, I would urge you all, we have a booth outside. We are part of multiple panel discussions today, and also have a deep dive technical session later in the evening to talk about some of our specific technical capabilities. please feel free to visit us at the booth, find out more about what we can do and how we can partner together to build a Viksit Bharat. Thank you.